Okay, so I might as well show you a demonstration of hand separate practice. So I have played these two measures a total of 2 times, once yesterday and once today. And I thought I'd give you a demonstration of how I practice these two measures, so you have an idea of what it is like to practice something fresh. Okay, look how slowly I practice it. I'm gonna go over just even half a measure at a time until I get 90%, then I move on. And I'm gonna try to aim for perfect practice, okay? It's really awkward. Okay, I think I have to use a different fingering here. So see, figure out the fingerings first. Feels better, clunking. That's really hard because you're going 5-4 to 5-3. Do that again. Not happy with how I'm not playing that together. See, just that's a tiny little box there if I were to draw it. My alarms are going off. Okay, let's keep going. That's one measure. Okay, let's do that again. This is really hard to play at the same time. You don't guess. It's hard to practice. Okay, those are two measures. I'm going to do it again. I don't feel quite confident yet. Okay, you see, I'm preventing myself from rushing. Now I'm going to add counting because now that I have the notes figured out and the fingerings, I'm going to work on the counting. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1. Okay? One more time. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E, 1. So 100% accuracy. Did you see how small the section I practiced and how long I paused before playing the next measure? You wouldn't ever guess a question on a math test, right? You would answer the question or solve the question out in your mind or on paper and then write down your answer. But it's not so obvious that this is the right thing to do when you practice piano, especially when you're learning something new. So what I see a lot of students do is they're playing, they think that this is the right note, and then they end up playing it wrong. And so starts the process of encoding the wrong information in your brain. Okay? So always be sure of the notes you're playing and be on the cautious side. Okay? It takes a lot of discipline to do this. And it takes time, as I said in the previous video. But that gives you a glimpse of how I practice from hands separate to hands together and how I start practicing something hands separate, period. Okay? Hopefully this gives you a good glimpse at my process.